can the Canadian authority grant parole to a transferred prisoner even if under Philippine law that person is disqualified to avail of parole?
In case the Filipino citizen is transferred to us and the Canadian laws has authority to grant parole, then the Filipino convicted can benefit from that grant of parole, but not vice versa. The Canadian citizen cannot avail of any pardons made by the Canadian government because of our
Teka,
constitutional
nalito ako doon. You just lost me completely.
state will modify accordingly according to the decision of the transferring state.
Nahilo ako. Ako din. Teka, you lost me. Is it me or you guys understand this?